Hi, I'm Juan Barquin, part of the Unifrance Critics Lab, and today I'm going to talk about Quentin Dupieux's new film, Fumer fait tousser, which translates to Smoking Causes Coughing. Uh, if that sounds absurd, it's very much in line with Quentin Dupieux's usual, which is absurdity reigns supreme. This one is about a group of 5 superheroes who are sort of formed after this very sort of Showa era Japanese TV show, sort of Power Rangers, almost Godzilla costumes. It's completely absurd. To the point where their first fight has them revealed as the Tobacco Force, and their names are ammonia, nicotine, mercury, methanol, and benzene. um, which the more I talk about, the more ridiculous it sounds to say out loud. But as I was watching this morning, it was just almost a never-ending series of laughs within the audience, and the film sort of makes itself around this group and their team unity and how they have to go on a retreat to sort of become one again before the end of the world comes because of Lizard Man. And or Lizardine. And their former villain was Tortoise, which was a giant tortoise that they managed to explode with the powers of smoking. And they are an anti-smoking team. Again, this is just one goofy delight after another. And once they are at the retreat, the film sort of breaks down into almost an anthology and sort of has, not each character, but many of the characters telling individual stories that go in completely unique directions. Like one has a thinking hat that essentially just isolates the user and turns them into an enlightened being that just can't stand anyone around them. And another one is a sort of weird joke about pollution, and it's sort of like almost a Tales of the Crypt, and they actually make a reference to it. And it's less than 90 minutes, a absolute breeze of a film, never once felt tired. It just pulls from so many different possible references, everything from Douglas Adams. Is practically every time it entered any kind of lull, it would immediately win me back with something completely ridiculous. And you know, if you like Dupieux, it's going to be fantastic. If you're not a fan of his humorous sensibilities, then it's going to be a hard sell. But I had a delightful time.